Today we are introducing the pressure transducer calibration. Manufacturer, model number. Manufacturer name is James. Model number 3000 series. Transducer accuracy 0.25 full scale. Zero tolerance 0.5% span. Span tolerance 0.5% span. Transducer input voltage 5 voltage plus or minus 10%. Transducer output value 0.5 to 4.5 volt DC. Transducer supply line 5 voltage, output line 0.5 to 4.5 VR, range 0 to 100 psi gauge pressure. Terminal port number A 0 volt, B is positive line, C is output line. This is in our model. Okay, voltage mode 0 volt, that is A port, and the B port is positive line, then C port is voltage output. 3-way transducer connection by diagram. Positive line connected to B port, negative line connected to common port, output connected to C port. A port, B port, this is C line, C port. Output. The wire color code: black A port, orange B port, violet color C port. First we are connecting the cable, red cable connected to positive line, orange. Next black cable negative line connected to black cable. Next brown cable connected to violet, that is output line. Next we are setting the voltage 5 volt. We are connecting the positive terminal, red wire connected to the transducer positive line. Next we are connecting the negative line connected to the transmitter negative port. This is a reference multimeter. We are measuring the DC voltage. Okay, DC volt. Another cable, output cable, we are connecting the test lead. Next we are connecting the reference multimeter. Next we are connecting the negative terminal connected to multimeter common port. Now transducer output showing 0.5 volt. Now we are connecting the as per the drawing. Okay, this is supply line connected to the B port, common line negative connected to the A port. Next negative line connected to the reference meter, and another lead common port connected to the C line. Next we are connecting the pressure source. This is inlet gauge. We are already connected this terminal to transducer. Next we are applying the pressure. Okay. Now 1 bar almost reached 1.18 volt DC. Now we are increasing the pressure. Now output also variable. Now we are applied a 3 bar. Now almost reached 3. Now output is showing 2.29 volt DC. We are applied the pressure to 3 bar. Now we are applying the 15 psi, 50 psi, that is 50% of transducer value. Now output is showing 2.5550 volt DC. To the full scale. Now transducer output is showing 4.2 volt DC. Releasing the pressure. Okay, now 5 bar reached. Now 5 bar is reached. Transducer output voltage showing 3.42 volt DC. Next we are releasing the pressure 3 bar. Okay, 3 bar. Transmitter output is showing 2.2868 volt DC. Next we are releasing all pressure in the unit. Now pressure almost released. Transistor output is showing 0.5029 volt DC. Now pressure transistor 0 to 100 psi functional test completed. This is a normal scenario for transistor 3-wire transistor testing. This type of pressure transistor normally using for pressure measuring purpose.